energy and all these individual unique stories and seeing all the families. What does Black History Month mean, do you think, specifically for the housing sector?
I think it's an opportunity for the housing sector to celebrate their diverse ethnic community tenants. I do think that you have incredible housing initiatives where you house specific groups, like the Somali community, you have the Chinese community. All this diversity ought to be celebrated, not scorned. And here is an opportunity for housing to take that leadership role. And I have to give a shout out to all of you and the Community Housing Cymru for all the training initiatives that you deliver right through the year with your strategic equality plan and your anti-racism plan. Now is the time to drive that change forward. And I have to mention the brilliant work of TIPAD, because their work around making stronger the voice of diverse ethnic people, deeds not words. So they want action, they don't want our words. Words are empty. It's time for action.